Understanding "you're such a mood," a deep dive into internet slang. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become incredibly popular on social media and everyday conversations. "You're such a mood." This expression can be a bit confusing, especially if English is not your first language. So, we're here to break it down for you, explain its meanings, and show you how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, "you're such a mood," is a piece of modern slang used to express that someone or something is relatable or captures a particular feeling or vibe that the speaker identifies with. It can be used in various contexts, ranging from humor and admiration to frustration and empathy. The key here is the emotional resonance or identification one feels with the situation or person being described. Understanding the origins of "you're such a mood" helps to grasp its meaning more fully. This expression emerged from internet culture and social media, where users share memes, videos, and texts that capture specific emotions or attitudes. When someone says, "you're such a mood," they're often referencing a shared understanding of these internet-based expressions of feelings. To clarify how "you're such a mood" is used, let's look at some examples. When someone is being very lazy and says, "I don't want to do anything today," you might respond with, "You're such a mood," if you feel the same way. Seeing a picture of someone looking extremely happy while eating a huge ice cream, you could comment, "That's such a mood," meaning you deeply relate to the joy that person is experiencing. In these examples, the phrase is used to express solidarity, humor, or a shared emotional state. While it's a versatile phrase, it's important to use "you're such a mood" in appropriate contexts where the meaning of relatability and emotional resonance is clear. It's best used among peers and in informal settings. Be mindful of the conversation's tone and ensure it fits the situation's casual or light-hearted nature. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, "you're such a mood." It's a fun and expressive way to connect with others by sharing feelings and experiences. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this one add color and vibrancy to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find many opportunities to say, "You're such a mood" in your daily interactions.